Hi, and today we will talk about Reynolds stresses and the way to estimate them from PIV velocity maps previously acquired and analyzed using OpenPIV Spatial Toolbox. First, where is OpenPIV Spatial Toolbox? It's here under GitHub OpenPIV Spatial Toolbox. Uh, all the source code is here, including the test files that we will use for this demo. The source code and the underlying theory of Reynolds stresses is rather simple. If we just Google Reynolds stresses, we understand that first we take the velocity vector, decompose it into the average or mean part, and a fluctuating part using Reynolds decomposition. The next thing is to take this fluctuation and multiply it with additional component. So if we have ui is horizontal velocity, uj is vertical velocity, then the Reynolds stresses will be rather a density of the fluid times average of the multiplication of two components. And this is called Reynolds stresses because after this analysis, this term appears in the kinetic energy equation. Now, in the OpenPIV, in the MATLAB file, we can do search for Reynolds stress. And we understand it's a third component after U, V, and Reynolds stresses. And the next one, if we go to comment, we understand that it's a mean average of UF, the fluctuations of horizontal component, times vertical component.